Okay, yeah, I forgot to share the slides. Let me do that. I hope this time I didn't forget to add any slide, but if I do, well, we'll just have to get on with it. I might have to edit the slides alive. Can everyone see the slides?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I can hear echo of myself. Can you hear any echo from your end?
I'm not getting echo on my end.
Yeah, no echo. Okay, that's good. Okay. I'm just checking the load on my VPN. Hopefully the connection doesn't break. If it does, I will just come back again. And let's see how many people. Yeah, I think we have quite few people now on the thing. So this is good thing. Okay, so Stefan is saying only some background noise. Let me just adjust this to see if it gets any better. What about now? I hope not. Better, thank you. Okay, so yeah, so welcome to the session. This is the agenda for today. We'll cover very little, but I have a little bit of a challenge for you. Hopefully you will enjoy the challenges that I have for you. That's why we are covering very little today, so you can, think about the challenges and this type of stuff before the next module. So we are here, session 4 of 4. I will comment at the end about potentially having some extra session for some of you guys who want to, adventure into more advanced stuff. But we'll come to that. So well done to all of you for, being that patient, from point set topology, or what we call boring topology, to being here now in the manifold section. So we are here in this section, smooth manifolds, and I'm very happy that, you now know what a smooth manifold is. So mission accomplished, really. Anything else is extra. And for those of you who have just joined us, well, the reason the entire crash course was motivated really by the next module, which is module 2, that hopefully will be in January or possibly in February. I don't know, let's see. So the idea was that because Lie groups are not just algebraic structure, they don't just have the the group structure. They also have the smooth structure. So the idea was that we will have a crash course so people know what a smooth manifold is before we go into Lie group stuff. And I'm very happy that everyone, at least especially the ones attending this session right now, know what a smooth manifold is. So in principle, mission accomplished. So you are ready to go to Lie groups. Okay.